I'd rather plus verb is used to say that you would prefer or choose to do something. I'd is the contraction of I would. Examples: I'd rather take the train than drive. I'd rather stay home tonight than go out. I'd rather starve than eat that disgusting food. I'd rather come in late than miss the class. I'd rather hurt him than tell him a lie. I'd rather be alone than be friends with people like them. I'd rather spend my money on books than on clothes. I'd rather wait outside than stay in here with Jim. I'd rather cook my own meals than spend so much money on junk food. I'd rather wear sneakers and be comfortable than wear high heels and be fashionable.